Hey y'all! Today we're in Brunswick, Georgia, and we're going to show you around Coastal Georgia RV Resort. This resort has 150 sites. All of them are full hookup and big rig friendly. They are all 35 foot wide and they vary in length from 60 to 70 feet. They also have a lot of buddy sites here where two rigs can park front to front and enjoy a shared space together. We're staying on one of the regular sites, number 407. Now that we're all set up, we're going to have some dinner and I'll show you around the rest of the park. The resort has two sides. Well, it has one side that's newer than the other. They're not really separated. But like if you look on the satellite image of Google Maps, you'll notice that one side of the resort wasn't complete. But it's complete now. And the sites are all about the same size, but the newer section, the difference over there is that you don't have the mature shrubs between the sites, so you have a little less privacy over there. This side also has the buddy sites that I mentioned. They have several lakefront sites like this one. They also have a boardwalk along the lake. They have 3 bathhouses and 3 laundry rooms. One of them is located in the pool area, so you can relax by the pool while your laundry's going. They have a store in the office check-in building. They have some RV basics in there and a lot of general items. And they also have a game room inside that has pool tables, a checkers space. They have like a kitchen area in the back. There is a treadmill in there. And they have a large book exchange area here. They have a conference center that's perfect for events and rallies. And behind the center is a community fire pit, and it's on the lake with lots of tables out here. Over on this side they have shuffleboard courts and horseshoes. And they are pet friendly. They have a bark park as well as pet stations located throughout the resort. They have everything we needed for our stay to be enjoyable, and since it's close to the interstate, whether you need an overnight stop or you're staying for a couple of weeks like we did, it's a great option. So we tried the ATG Fox protector this trip. We've been here for a couple of weeks and it worked great. We're in the shade right now, but you can clearly see it in the sun. Power went out once and I was able to come out here and hit the button and see that the pedestal had no power, so I knew it was either the pedestal or the RV park and wasn't the rig. Thanks for watching today, y'all. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment and let us know you were here. And of course, if you haven't already done so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all on the next one.